What's up? What's up, everybody? This is Will. I had a little clip that I wanted to share with y'all, something that I thought was pretty funny. So yesterday when I was cleaning out the garage, I found these old train horns that had been sitting around for a couple years, and I didn't even know if they worked or not. Bought them brand new, sat around for years, never installed them in anything. So I removed the little solenoid that was in there and put a 1/4 inch fitting on there. Put my air hose through it, and surprisingly, they actually worked. They were actually pretty loud. It was nice to hear them for the first time. So today, my friend Richie came to help me wire up my stereo and the charger. And I was like, hell, why not? Let's see if we can get a little scare from him and wake him up a little bit. So let me know what you think.
There was a car and shit.
You get scared?
There was a car and shit.
As always, if you like my videos, hit the like button, comment on the comments below. Give me some ideas as far as what y'all think else I should do with these train horns. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.